Welcome back to the Tractor Den. Today we're going to discuss the cutting edge for the bucket for the LA340 series front end loader for the Kubota BX series tractors. These buckets aren't meant for heavy digging. They have a lightweight cutting edge. The factory cutting edge is only about 3/8 of an inch thick and 3 inches wide. In addition, it has 7 holes punched through it. A lot of heavy digging with this bucket would wear that cutting edge out pretty quickly. Kubota offers the BX2414 bolt-on cutting edge. This new cutting edge helps strengthen this bucket's cutting edge and makes this more of a digging bucket. The BX2414 bolt-on cutting edge is a 1/2 inch thick and 4 inches wide. The BX2414 is a simple kit. It comes with 7 plow bolts, 7 lock washers, and 7 hex nuts, along with the 48-inch cutting blade. Let's get it bolted on. Next, we'll use a torque wrench to torque these hex nuts to 75 foot-pounds. Now I feel confident to use this bucket to dig without tearing up the factory cutting edge. If you need a little more bite than what this bolt-on cutting edge can give you, join me next time here on the Tractor Den when we install the B-expanded Piranha tooth bar on this bucket. Thanks for watching. See you soon.